There's an observation attributed to Donald Rumsfeld regarding unknown unknowns. It's this: there are known knowns, things we know that we know. There are known unknowns, things that we know we don't know. But there are also unknown unknowns, things that we don't know that we don't know. This statement was made during a Department of Defense news briefing on February 12, 2002. And while the statement seems a bit odd and possibly even childish, it is also potentially profound. The simple fact of life is there are certain things that are unknown and possibly even unknowable. What's a rational approach to decision making when you know there are things you don't know? Rumsfeld's admonition is a warning against undue complacency and hubris. Speaking personally, I know that I don't know what Donald Trump is capable of. This is a man who has consistently broken with societal and political norms and gotten away with it. It's quite possible that no one, not even Trump himself, knows what it is he's likely to do in any given situation. The known known in the spring of 2025 is that the world order has been disrupted and that traditional multilateral trading partnerships have been thrown into disarray. Trust in foreign governments and their willingness to adhere to previously agreed upon trade deals is in shambles. Many investors and advisors are prone to overconfidence. They think they're better at things than they really are. The other thing I worry about personally is optimism bias. That's where people acknowledge that things are the way they are, but they nonetheless proceed as those known facts and limitations won't apply to them personally. Virtually everyone on their wedding day will say they won't ever divorce the person they're marrying, even though they admit and know that 40% to 50% of all marriages end in divorce. I don't know what Donald Trump is likely to do and what his actions might mean for capital markets. I know that I don't know. As such, I also know that it would be nearly impossible to be surprised by anything he does. Here's what I do know. Since I have no way of predicting what Donald Trump may do and how the wider world might react, I'm committing to being flexible and keeping my options open. Anyone who pre-commits to any course of action, and that includes a determination to stay the course come hell or high water, is showing a little too much inflexibility for my liking. I'm not telling people to do anything in particular, other than to be prepared to do something, perhaps even something drastic, if something is warranted by events.